So in this question, you're given that the radius of a circle is 100 centimeters and the length of the arc that we have taken is 22 centimeters. What is the angle subtended by this arc at the center of the circle? That is, you have a circle of radius is equal to 100 centimeters. You have taken a small arc of length 22 centimeters. So this length of the arc is 22 centimeters from here to here. The curved length is 22. So you're asked to find the angle subtended at the center. You're asked to assume pi to be approximately equal to 22 by 7. So now how do we do this? So we know the relation between L, R and theta, which is L is equal to R theta, provided theta is measured in radians. So this implies 22 is equal to 100 into theta. 22 is equal to 100 into theta. So this implies theta is equal to 22 by 100 radians. 22 by 100 radians. And you're asked to find the angle, so you can leave it here if you want, but you can also convert this into degrees. That is equal to 22 by 100 into, if you want to convert radians into degrees, 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi degrees. That is equal to 22 by 100 into 180 divided by pi is nothing but 22 by 7. So 7 goes up degrees. 22 and 22 gets cancelled. 10 and 10 gets cancelled. So 18 into 7 is 70 plus 56 is 126 by 10 degrees. That is equal to 12.6 degrees. So this is the angle subtended by this arc at the center.